Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about database seeding. Laravel includes a simple method of seeding database with test data using seed classes. Seed classes may have any name. By default, a database seeder class is defined. From this class, we can call method to run other seed classes. Alright, so let's create a seeder. For that, switch to the command prompt and here just type the command php artisan make colon seeder, okay, and a space seeder name. Let's say seeder name is post table seeder. Okay, now press enter. Seeder created. Now switch to the project and just go inside the database, then seeders, and you can see here post table seeder. Okay, inside the post table seeder class only contain one method by default, which is run method. Okay, this method is called when the db seed artisan command is executed within the run method. All right, we can write code for insert data into the database. So let's modify the post table seeder class and add a database insert a statement inside the run method. Okay, so just write here db colon table and just add the table name. Let's say table name is post and call the insert method, and inside this just pass the array. Okay, and inside this just write here title. Let's say title is first post title. Okay, and body first post body or description. Okay, right. Now let's add this db. So just here, just add here, add use illuminate slash support slash facades slash db. Okay, now save this file and now call this post table seeder class inside the database seeder run method. Okay, so just open this database seeder.php file and inside this run method just call this post table seeder. Okay, so just write here dollar this and call, and inside this call method just write here post table seeder colon class. Okay, now save this file and let's run this seeder. Before executing seeders, regenerate composer autoload. Okay, so switch to the command prompt and here just write the command composer space dump dash auto load. Okay, now press enter. Alright, now we can use the db seed artisan command to seed the database. Okay, by default the db seed command runs the database seeder class, alright, which may be used to call other seed classes. Before using the seed artisan command, let's check the post table. Okay, so switch to the browser and just open php myadmin and just open here database, which is laravel 8 pro db. So just click on it and you can see here the database post table. So just click on browse and inside this post table you can see there is no any record here. Okay, now let's execute db seed artisan command in command prompt. Okay, so just switch to the command prompt and here just type the command php artisan db :seed. Okay, now press enter. All right, now switch to the browser and just refresh the table. So just click on browse and you can see the record inserted. Okay, now let's insert another record. So just go inside the post table seeder and here just write second post title and second post description. Okay, now save this file and rerun this db seeder command, seed command. So just write here php artisan db :seed. Okay, and now press enter. Okay, seeding complete. Now refresh the table and you can see here another record. Okay, we also need multiple records at a time. So just go to the post seeder and here I am just going to use faker package. So just type here use faker / factory as faker. Okay, and inside the run method just write here $faker is equal to faker create. Okay, and just add here the for each and set here the range. Let's create 100 records. So just write here 1, 100 as $index. All right, curly bracket start and close. Now just cut this insert statement and paste here. All right, now just remove this and here just write here faker arrow sentence and just write here 5 and inside the body just write here faker $faker arrow paragraph. Okay, and add the number of paragraph 4. All right, now save this file. Now run this seeder. So switch to the command prompt and here just type php artisan db :seed. Okay, now press enter. It's seeding the database. All right, seeding completed. Now switch to the php myadmin and just refresh the page. And you can see here 100 of records. Okay. You may also seed your database using the migrate fresh command, which will drop all tables and rerun all of your migration. Okay. This command is useful for completely rebuilding your database. So let's check this command. So switch to the command prompt and here uh, just type here the command php artisan migrate :fresh. Okay, and just write here -seed. Okay, now press enter. All right, seeding completed successfully. Now switch to the php myadmin and just refresh the table and you can see here all tables are recreated and all you can see, just refresh the database. Okay, all tables are recreated and inside the post table, all records are reinserted. Okay, so in this way you can use the database seeder in Laravel 8. So that's all about seeding. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.